Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam download speed drops to zero fix. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on the Downloads tab. Here, look for Download Region, and make sure it's set to the location closest to where you live. Choosing the nearest region can significantly improve your download speed and stability. Next, head back to Search and type in View Network Connections, then click on it. Find your active network adapter, double-click on it, and then select Properties. From the list, click on Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Make sure use the following DNS server addresses as selected, then enter 8888 for the first line and 8844 for the second line. After that, click OK to save the changes. Finally, go back to Search and type in CMD, then run it as administrator and click Yes when prompted. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. After that, type net sh winsock reset and press Enter again. Once both commands are completed, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Steam download speed drops to zero fix. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.